Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. In this video, you will learn another important program, finding the largest of three numbers in Python. For this, you are going to use the concept of if, Elif, else concept. Okay, these three conditional statements we are going to use. This program helps in understanding multiple condition checking and comparison logic in Python. So let's see how it works. If I give three numbers, let me take A equal to 30, B equal to 20, C equal to 10. So in this case, we have three numbers A, B and C. A is 30, B is 20 and C is 10. Which is the largest number? So the largest number is the greatest number, A. A is 30. So it has to print the largest number is A. So for this, how can we write the logic? So the logic is very important to write. So let me show you how we can write the logic for this. Here we have three numbers. Let's take this A. A is 30. B, this is 20. C, this is 10. So normally how you can compare and find the greatest number. So first you are going to compare the A with the B and C. You are going to check if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. It means if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. In this case, which is the maximum or largest number A, right? I am telling that 30 is greater than 20 and 30 is greater than 10. So 30 is greater than B and C. So in this case, 30 is the greatest number. That is the condition 1 here. Okay. For example, let me take another test case. Okay. Here I am taking another test case. So in this case, now A I am taking as okay 20. B I am taking it as 30. C I am taking it as 10 like this. Assume that these are the three numbers I have given. Now in this case, A is greater than B. Condition is false, right? So B is greater than C. Condition is true. In the AND case, both must be true, right? So it is clear that A is not highest. So in this case, we need to check B is greater than C or not. If B is greater than C, like 30 is greater than 10, if this is true, then we can say that B is the greatest number. This is the second condition. If this is false, by default, C is the largest number. Okay, C is the largest number. Okay, so this is a very simple logic. First, you take any two numbers. Okay, if A is greater than B and C, then A is the greatest. If any one of the condition is false, then we can conclude here A is not greatest. So the greatest number will be between B and C. Now check B is greater than C. If B is greater than C, B is the largest number. If this is false, C is the largest number. Okay. So very simple logic. Okay. Let's now write the program here. So go to the ideally. Take a new file. Now let's write the program here. A equal to int of input of enter the first number. The first number will be stored in A. Now take B value, B equal to int of input of enter the second number. Now the second number will be stored in B. Now C equal to int of input of enter the third, right? Third number. So this will be stored in C. Now you have to write the conditional logic. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Let's check here if the first number, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So which is the greatest number? Print. Okay, print. Largest number is, okay, which is the largest number? I am going to print A. Okay. If this condition is false, any one of these condition false, then A is not greatest. It should be in the B and C, right? So that's why you want to check Elif B greater than C. If B is greater than C is true, then which is the greatest number? Largest number is, comma, B is the largest number. If this condition is false, so then by default, the remaining number we have C, right? Print largest number is, comma, C. Okay, very simple logic, and there will be multiple logics for this program. You can try out any possible way, and I'm taking this as one of the easiest way to understand. Okay, sorry, here it is A greater than C, not less than C. Now this program is about finding the largest number among three numbers. Okay, finding largest number among three numbers. Save this program as program 9. Now let's compile this and execute this program. I am going to give, enter a first number 10, second number let me give 25, third number let me give 15. Now you can get the largest number is 25. Because A is greater than B and greater than C condition is false. So it will come to second condition. 25 is greater than 15. So it is true. That's why largest is 25. Okay. So now you can try out this program and try all the possibilities of the test cases and check the results. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you. I will see you in the next lesson.